Nathaniel Berry here at AGL Yacht Sales, and we have a brand new listing of a Corsair 31R. This is the aft cabin model with, of course, foldable amas and an aluminum rotating mast. She's currently located in Homeland, California, so up near Murrieta in the desert. She's been kept undercover and preserved very well. She previously sailed in San Diego. She has a nearly new 10 horsepower Yamaha long shaft outboard. Kick-up rudders. The aft cabin is spacious and likely where you would sleep if you were going to stay overnight. The cockpit, near the center of the boat, is dry and commodious. Inside the boat, we have a full head with the ability to pump out or pump overboard offshore, a fairly new stove, navigation, full electronics, and a spacious V-berth as well. You have full throttle control for the outboard from the cockpit, but will steer with your manual rudder. As you can see here, the rig is on a trailer. It is a 2019 model Pacific trailer. Dual axle. Again, this boat is ready to go. And won't cost you all the marina fees that you'd normally pay for a 31-foot high-performance sailing vessel like this. She does have radar. You'll see the radar dome here is down, but that can be reinstalled. She just didn't fit under the canopy. Call me today if you're interested in owning one of the highest performance production trailerable trimarans ever on the market.